Well, my people, me there again. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Just some things more I have to talk to you about, alright? Alright, now first things first, my people. I got information that a whale somehow got itself stranded within the vicinity of a beach resort in Negril, Jamaica. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to what type of whale got itself stranded, viewers and subscribers, see? And when them say the whale got itself stranded, that means the whale come in too close to land and was not able to carry itself back out into the deeper part of the sea. See? So I get information that a certain amount of persons worked together in order to help the whale to go back into the deeper part of the sea. Some people call that a rescue. I think that must be quite an experience, viewers and subscribers. Yes, I say, but here's the thing now, Zay. Before we end this topic, I want to ask you two questions. And I think I said these things before in at least one other video. I'm not sure, but I want to ask you two questions. One, what's the name of the biggest fish in the ocean? And two, are sperm whales fish or not fish? Yeah, leave your answers in the comment section of this video, viewers and subscribers. I'll give you my answer as well to viewers and subscribers. Let me say, and for those who like to use the word fish in a bad way and make certain jokes and so forth, please don't do it in this whole topic right here. So let me say, yeah, take the topic as serious, alright? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I want to say this to each and everyone who use ATM machines. Please be careful when you're going to use a ATM machine. You see me? Be very careful, alright? Yeah, because me get the understanding that criminals are do all kind of things to try and get your banking information. See? And you know, me see a video on social media. Yeah, let me start over this right here. Look right here. So, me see a video on social media that brought an awareness to me, Dancehall skilla. So me decide to I'll give a warning to you, my viewers and subscribers, because when me see that the video, it somewhat surprises me. I mean, I really want to explain because I teach people how to do certain things, as I say, but I just want to send a warning to out there, viewers and subscribers, as I say, because it's when it comes on to criminals who are trying to get people banking information and all them things there, you have a lot of them out there who I think of all different type of ideas and might have found new ways to try and get your banking information illegally. So may I say, yeah, so be very careful. May I put that one in the out there to each and every one, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows two persons fighting with each other while they were inside of a public transportation motor vehicle. I do not know where and when the video had been recorded. Now, I got the understanding that the video had been posted certain places on social media and the video has been talked about certain places on social media for a certain amount of reasons. One of those reasons are because the video shows when two persons was fighting with each other and because one of those persons who was involved in the fight was using Jamaican accent to talk. Now, I'm going to present a piece of the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can get a better understanding about the whole situation. And based on what you're about to see and hear in this piece of video, I would like you to tell me who you think might be wrong. One of the reasons why I am presenting piece of the entire video to you is because the entire video has been talked about certain places on social media, alright? Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
This? Are you
No.
You think this is okay?
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Listen. You want to sit?
At me and I'm calling the police.
Call the police. Are you first again?
Get your hands away from me, or I will.
Don't
protect
touch
myself.
him.
You are done.
She's not done.
Yes, she is.
She's not. No, she's not.
Did you just hit
No,
me?
she's not because you were here. You were here. You move. Why you move? Why you move? Why you move? Why you move?
The camera start to hit me like this. For no reason.
This
For no
woman
move.
hit me and hit me and hit me and you all saw it.
That's a lie! Excuse me.
Don't act like that.
Away from me! Get away from me!
Alright, me stop it right there, so viewers and subscribers, because the situation really and truly got very aggressive. You see what I say? And the video shows some things that me not think is appropriate for each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. But anyways, here's the thing now, my people. See? When me look and listen to the video, it makes me wonder why those persons was fighting with each other. Now, one part of the video shows when one person was sitting in the other person's lap. And in the video, you can hear when both persons was arguing with each other, viewers and subscribers. See? Both of those persons who was involved in the fight were sitting in seats that are in the same rowing of viewers and subscribers. See? In at least one part of the video, you can hear when one person accused the other person of hitting that person. At least one person said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that that person said to one of those persons who was involved in the fight, "You were here. Why you move?" And if it was up to me, I would say that the person who was sitting in the corner seat might be in the wrong. If you ask me in the comment section, I will let you know why I think so, viewers and subscribers. See? So, based on some things that you saw and heard in the piece of video, and based on certain things that I pointed out to you, my viewers and subscribers, you can let me know who you think might be in the wrong. Alright? Yeah, I'm going to move on to another topic, viewers and subscribers. And I want to say this to each and everyone that are new to my channel, to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And please share, alright? Support the Dancehall Skilla. Please share this video. I'm going to move on to another topic. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that a chain was grabbed from around someone's neck, and the person also mentioned dollars. Now, I think that a lot of Jamaicans know who some people call dollars, my viewers and subscribers. See? Anyways, more I listen to the things that the person said in this video and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. Observe.
When they downtown, round to parade side there, sir. Man can't rate you in a youth. You know why man can't rate you? Because we not let down the general thing. You hear me tell you? Me's a youth where me there in my church and I change my ways and I try to live right. But until the day I'm dead, I shall forever give respect to Dodos, original short boss himself. In general, you see if I'm gone, no boy, spoil up the whole of downtown. Because you can imagine, me just left Spanish Town and go airport go pick up a local sister, you know. And the cat said she want to stop in her downtown and buy a few things. And she and my wife make a look a walk. Me there in my car sit down and only forget a phone call for here say, a man just grab the catty chain off her neck. You see no boy? Oh no shall burn in hell out.
You hear the things about the person saying in the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, based on certain things that the person said in the video, I think a lot of people know who the person I talk about when the person said others. So may I say? Yeah, and you see, with the whole robbery thing, I don't support them things in my people, you understand? Yeah, man, people for work for what they want, you understand? And I know that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might be aware of this, you know, but you have some people within the country of Jamaica who will not wear no form of jewelry when they go certain places within the country of Jamaica. Some people within the country of Jamaica will not go certain places within the country of Jamaica, none at all. You see me I say? Yeah, you know, yeah man, but and I really have some people within the country of Jamaica who will not wear no form of jewelry, nor carry expensive phones when they go certain places within the country of Jamaica. I cannot say for everywhere within the country of Jamaica, but some places within the country of Jamaica. As I say, yeah man, and I think that them do that because them fear that somebody might rob them. You see me as my people? And them think they're right, them think they look bad pan our country. Yeah man, them think they look bad pan our country. Notice me say we country because me is a Jamaican too. So based on certain things that the person said in the video, viewers and subscribers, I cannot blame the person to feel away or if the person feel upset. You understand? I just saw it go with people, alright? Yeah, so you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said in the video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.